We're so fortunate with Revlon to have all these different shows happen at Fashion Week. You sort of set up what's going to happen for the season. The Revlon woman is just incredibly beautiful, and you want to be her. That's my image of who she is and who I want to help through, the campaigns and through just my work as a makeup artist in general.
Our makeup philosophy has always been that we just wanted the girls to look really real and really natural and really pretty. I think this season we did talk about exaggerating the prettiness and the sort of absence of makeup.
I haven't come up with the name of the look, but the clothes are Edwardian, English, effortless, kind of cool, sort of nomad. I'm going after the girls' features and kind of enhancing their natural highlights and shadows, using both extreme matte textures and really shiny textures. And on the skin, I'm just making it super shiny with Revlon highlight and concealer. And then there's also the playful aspect of the acid yellow nail, which is kind of like music festival, approachable and effortless sort of. So I'm using pearly shine on the skin, and then on the lid it's highlight and concealer from Revlon called Beyond Naturals. A really deep brown that's matte, and then close to the lashes is sparkly gold. A lot of girls have that natural highlight there anyhow, and rather than doing a dark shadow there, I'm doing a light. The mouth is nude. It's just a matte taking away the red.
We're not good at makeup. We don't really do makeup.
I'm at a loss to describe makeup.
Leave it to the expert.
Yeah.
You sort of set up what's going to happen for the season, and it's a really nice kind of collaboration, with the hair and the designer and the makeup. It's, we have to help them give everybody what they've worked so hard to achieve, There's all walks in fashion, which is cool.